Cole, that's for Samantha. Can you give it to Samantha? That toy is for Samantha. Sam, you can open that. Open. Cole, you can have one of the green ones. Can you take a green toy? You can open. What's that? Oh, Curious George.
Open.
Okay, can I have some tea? Can you pour me some tea? Use that. Pour me some tea. See?
Choo-choo train.
Go.
Choo-choo train. Choo-choo train.
Video?
Yeah.
See, you pour the tea. Pour the tea. Go.
Choo-choo train.
And pour me some tea.
Samantha, are you making tea? Samantha, you're making the nicest tea. Oh, are you giving Horse some tea? That was very nice. Samantha, are you making tea? Is that so good? Can I have some? Can you pour Mommy some? May I have some? May I have a cup of tea? Oh, you drank all the tea. You drank it all. Was it good?